Hello and welcome back again to my channel, Susan Gold TV. How are you all doing? I hope this video I this pack of Afro kicking and this very short hair. Like these days, I've been making like short hair and with different styles. So the style we are going to create with this Afro kicking is very easy. So and yeah, the way all the pieces of from it, I'm going to cut it into two, which is the front into four, then the back into two. Yeah, because I'm going to make it like full fringe. So I decided to just like, okay, I use a little bit from the hair to flog, from the Afro kicking to flog the hair. You know, like understand flogging, threading. So and when I flog it to the exact where our hair is or a little bit more, then I tie the hair. I just leave it like, I don't know if I should call it pick and drop, or because of the way I flogged it, I flogged it, sorry guys, so I don't just know what to call it. But end of the day, we're going to be creating full fringe. So if you want to know how we make this hair, I appreciate your support. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever we'll upload a new video. To returning subscriber, thank you so much for your endless support. We do appreciate you all. So guys, you see the way I'm making it now. So I just want to explain a little bit about this hair or other hair for that matter. You know, in case you're not this type of person that knows how to make short hair. All right, this for her now is supposed to be more tinier. Okay, maybe yeah, because this Afro kicking is always full. So in case you want to use extension braid for this hairstyle, which you can also use extension braid for this hairstyle, yes, please make it a bit tinier and let the extension braid be a bit bigger, because this hair, it doesn't fall like extension braid. When it's much, you put it in the water, it will now become small. So this hair is not the same thing like extension braid. So if you make it big, even if you put it in the water, it's not going to become small. So the hair will just remain like that. So and someone wrote me and said, why am I not dropping the link of where I'm buying my hair? Most market, so I don't have link to most of the hair. Okay guys, so and the reason why I cut it a little bit more, I was like watching, because it was already I think 6 p.m. we started this hair. No, I think 9 p.m. Yes, 9 p.m. It's summertime now here in Germany, and even if it's like 6 p.m. it still looks like as if it's afternoon, as if like 2 p.m. So but we started this hair 9 p.m. and I finished around 12 in the midnight. So if you're watching it, if there's a place you get to, it will become dark. That's because everywhere is dark. Even the light I was using was not even like bright enough to help the video. So you understand why that place was dark. And she's traveling the next day, so I have to like make this hair for her no matter what. And I'm glad the result came out perfect. Like if you see the hair, it looks like she fixed a woven. When she even snapped the hair and someone asked her, yeah, I thought you want to go and make your hair, you want to go and weave your hair wearing wig. She the style, I pick it like I nailed it. The hair, wash it, and we'll get to the end.
Look beneath the bed before you go to sleep. Keep on, I shine. You'll surely get burned if you reach out and touch. My mind is a battle, I'm trying to hide it. Getting these voices inside to stay quiet. On to the place where all this began. To start again. I'll see the light until the dawn breaks. No, till it's all said and done, you won't know what it takes. Gotta make a wrong turn and turn around. Gotta fall first to pick yourself up off the ground. Until you get lost, you'll never be found. And you can't start again until you break down.
So guys, here in our side is really hot. We are in a very hot summer. It was kind of raining before, but now the sun is really hot. Even when you check your phone in Deutschland, they will just say like warning, heat warning in Deutschland. Like it's really hot over here. So how are you, and how is your weather over there? Is it also hot, or is it cold? Is it raining where you are there? So however the weather is, I hope you stay safe. So guys, like I said about this, this is just how we do it. And as usual, I always apply rosemary to anybody I want to make their hair, except they don't just want it. Because when I want to make customers hair, I ask them first, do you want me to spray your hair? Most of them they always say yes. So in case you don't know how to make it, you can just check my channel, is there. And I will be also making the oil, and I will also be showing a tutorial on how to make rosemary oil. We all know how rosemary is used in our hair. So guys, here is the now it's already getting dark, so we're just trying like to make how to make the lights brighter, but you know about it. White night and the time is daytime, so this is how we manage it. So I decided to just show it even if it's not that bright, so you see how the hairstyle came out to be. So now I finished the hair. So what I did, I used a wool to thread it. So you can use thread, you can use wool, but I decided to just use wool because I'm still going to cut it and throw it away. So and this is how it looks after the coiling. So what I do, I thread it and I put it in a hot water. So this is the result of the style. Like this is how it looks. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.